Shaji here. We are still in Rajasthan, Jaipur, and we are actually here at a stepwell. I don't know if you can see just how deep this is, but this place where they would extract the water in ancient times, and even to this very day, there's still water that fills these areas. And as you can see, there are people going down into the well area. You see the hose that's there, extracting water from there. And this water would be enough for the villagers in this area to have enough clean water to drink and to survive. So you can also see many artifacts that are still being classified in this area. Okay. They're all numbered. A lot of them have fallen from the walls, so now they are trying their best to preserve all this architecture. So it's a protected site, so that this way people do not steal any of these rare artifacts until they're able to properly either put it somewhere for it to be viewed. But it's just such a beautiful place. Stepwells.